Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, we are going to show you how to make Facebook video by using Canva website. So here we are on canva.com and I'm going to create a design and I'm going to select Facebook video and it will redirect me to the new tab. I'm going to select a template to make a video and this is the template I'm going to use. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the unnecessary items from this template, which I know that I'm not going to use it. Now I'm going to upload the logo of Next Level Promotion because I'm going to make this video for the Next Level Promotion Facebook page. Let's delete this and place our logo on the top. We will adjust the fonts. Now I'm going to change the font. Grow your business with Next Level Promotion. Okay, that looks fine. This is the main heading I want on my video. Now I've changed the background. There are so many background options available. You can use any of them, like you can use landscape, you can use patterns, you can use gradients as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all these items by using a shift key and I have grouped them. Using the shift key and selecting multiple items will help you to move all of them together and also helps you to group these items. Now I'm going to place the contact number in the bottom. Okay, and yeah, let's change the font color to purple. Okay, now I have changed the contact number to purple color as well and phone icon as well to the purple color because it will go with our theme. Now I'm going to search for an image of a girl sitting with laptop. Canva has so many images available and you can use them. I'm going to remove the background, but make sure this feature is only available in Canva Pro. You cannot use this feature in Canva free versions. Okay, I'm going to place the girl here. And now I'm going to search for Facebook likes, floating Facebook likes. Okay. I'm going to change its position to backwards. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I've copy paste my number and I'm going to write the Instagram and Facebook handle here for the next level promotion. If you want to contact next level promotion for any of the digital marketing services, you can contact on these handles as well, or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is given in the bottom. Okay, I'm going to place my Facebook and Instagram icon here, and our video is almost ready. Yes. Let's do a little adjustments. I think it looks fine now. Yes. Now in the upload section, I have uploaded my audio, which I'm going to use here. You can use the audios from the Canva as well. And now I'm going to change the duration of this video to 6 seconds. Okay. Now let's apply some animations to our page and basically to our video. That looks fine. Now I'm going to download this video. Okay, and your video is ready. So you see, you can easily create your videos for Facebook and Instagram as well by using Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.